Are you looking to add a premium recovery experience without adding operational burden? The Epoch Immersion Wellness Bed is technician-free, consistent, and effortlessly maintained. 6 therapeutic-grade technologies work together in one session to support systemic recovery and regulation. Because clients feel the difference, calmer, clearer, better rested. The immersion becomes part of ongoing routines and helps you develop new recovery strategies. Easy to integrate, elevated experience change you can see and feel. Allow us to be a beneficial part of your recovery process. Learn more about the Epoch Immersion Wellness Bed today. Presented by Epoch Lasers.